Send me a location.
Thank you.
Send me a location. I go come. Anyways, guys, welcome back to GAM Club, my label. Charlie, I hope I'm telling you and Dishi.
Hey, you guys are leaving me out.
My label, we have a blue and red.
Exactly.
Anyways, guys, shall I like Darko's vibes, you know? Punchlines, yo. Anyways, guys, you're still watching the AM Club, and you're here on the plug with the man Darko Vibes. I mean, I know him on TV. I've listened to his music, but I didn't know he was such a fun person. Darko, welcome to the AM Club.
Yo, we're outside.
Thanks for having me.
Hey, baby, what do we know?
Because we're speaking Ghana. When Ghans meet, we like to,
we'll mix it with the little treat in there. So
yes, thank you, so I understand.
Bro, I love the brand.
Thank you.
No, I love the brand.
I mean, big shout outs to Big Lomo, man.
Big Lomo.
Oh, Big Lomo. Oh, wow. Amazing.
Sorry, remind me, I'll be speaking down to out. I'm sorry.
Hey,
Charlie.
Yeah, texture spectacular.
Solid stuff. Anyways, back over. These are curtains.
These are the tabletop.
Charlie, so the brand, I'm seeing this Seaman vibes. Is that the idea? Like a captain, hello.
I mean, it's Chrome Hat. And it's a
I
nice
love the
thing.
brand. He has a nice smile too.
I know, right? Amazing.
Oh,
I'm blushing. Okay, so Darko Vibes, let's come back to you now. I mean, you've been in the music scene here in Ghana for some time now, but let's recap on your journey so far. How has it been for you?
Where did it start?
Exactly.
I know gang, but before I met gang.
Oh yeah, it started inside Malam, inside Vax's studio. Big shout outs to Vax. We were recorded, and then fast forward, went to Spintex, Villain Sounds. That's where I met La Mem Gang. Fast forward, hey, I think I met Magnum. Yes. And then I met Joey B.
Yeah.
I stayed with Joey B for a very, very long time. Fast forward, I came to Spintex, still with Joey B. We stayed for a very, very long
time again.
Yeah, so it's been like that until now that I'm just...
I mean, why not music?
Thing.
But again, I'll ask why music. Someone will say, why not music? But why music?
I mean, I'll be very, very enthused about music. Like, I really, really like music. I appreciate sound.
Yeah.
So I guess that's why I
decided to jump into it. And
but then since you started, it's been one hit after the other.
Yeah.
So where do you get your inspiration from when it comes to the songs that you put out there? Because, I mean, to put out one hit, we have a lot of one-hit wonders out there. So to put out continuous hits one after the other is not easy. So where do you get your inspiration from?
I would say my environment and my lifestyle.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm not a boring person, so every day there's
clearly you're not.
Nice one.
Hey, you guys.
No, I just said he's a fun guy. He's a happy guy. That's what I'm saying.
But I'm jealous.
I am.
So bro, Ga music. I don't call it Ga music, but you put a lot of the Ga, like your language in there. Before Tiny and the rest, there are people who
big shout out to Tiny.
Yeah, big shout out to Tiny.
Yeah.
What made you? You're doing it differently.
It sounds sexy.
Yeah, you're doing it differently.
Yes.
People don't think that a Ga language is a sexy language. They think it's a black language. But they don't know. And you're doing it that. Why did you decide to go that route?
I guess I'm a very calm person. I guess it's all part of like my pattern.
Right.
Not like, I'm not that kind of person. It reflects in it.
Okay. So the guy is going to sound sexy regardless.
Regardless.
You don't have a choice.
Even if I'm saying quick, that was
it's still nice.
It's still sexy.
It's still nice.
I'm saying.
Okay, cool. So your first song, what was your first song that
my first
came
song
out?
Ever to record.
Yeah, to record. Yeah, in the studio.
That one, it was First Love.
First Love. And how did that do?
That one, it didn't do anything. What would it do?
But I didn't go anywhere.
But then, okay, so what song would you say made it for you? What song would put you out there for every single Ghanaian and across borders to also get to know your music?
Across borders?
Yeah.
I'll say, for starters, I'd say every song kind of like contributed to where I am today. So I feel like, say, around when we're in SS and things, we're doing some kind of patience, some kind of conscious songs and fast forward we're growing to say the conscious songs. You started to build up. That was when I did Mercy.
Okay.
I did Mercy. After Mercy, then I did Tomorrow. And then Tomorrow, it's been following. I don't remember the pattern right now.
Okay.
But like I dropped an album, singles, mixtapes, Lamem Gang singles, albums, mixtapes. Yeah, man. Some of them they enter, some of them people they have their own personal vibes. It's lovely.
Like I was saying, what I remember you for, or what made me hear about you was Tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I come and say she go maple.
Hey, I could never sing the gap bit, but
that bit,
it sounds good. No. That's what I'm saying. Because I can never sing the gap bit.
So let's throw you back a little bit. Let's throw back a little bit. You said you were in essence you were doing which school were you in?
Oh, me, I went to Otcas.
Charlie Champion, you boy.
Oh yeah, full. Everything I was like around that side. Bro.
Yeah, man.
I don't know why my family always they pick the Ghana side to all the time. Yes, I'm Ghana if you have him.
Okay.
Darko.
Ghana no you do your home so Asante for in cran for na emerge.
So but what do you remember back then? We were playing some games earlier. I don't know, Charlie. We're playing Counters Ball and then
I did that one.
What were some of the games you used to play?
Oh, I used to play
the tie.
The tie one.
What?
And the one where
you throw the tie to go and fall on.
Yeah.
Those were the only ones you played?
No, I play Pete.
What's Pete?
So pitting, eh?
No, right. They'll put a pen and
a broom.
This one.
Yeah.
So they put it one here.
Ah,
so
and you just throw it.
I did this one too.
Aligoto,
come on.
I sure share me.
I did this one too.
This is the one we're trying to
So
play.
you have to slap the person's hand.
It's like
remind me. I don't remember. So it's like this.
So like this. Yeah, it can't come like this. It can't come like this.
That don't hurt me.
So you're gonna do like this. You
have to dodge.
So me, I know you for the dodge. You try to dodge. Me, I the calculate.
Oh, so it's like this.
So like this.
So
like this.
Nice one. Yeah. Wow, Charlie, this.
And then we finish your hair all red.
Charlie.
Yeah. So you for dodge, then catch your guy.
Charlie, and then when you were kids, I
make
mean,
like Squid Games.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's why you don't die.
I don't die. That's why I feel the pain.
The pain is
The pain.
Did you ever take your mother's money to go play FIFA? You remember that one?
My dad really beats me because of games. So that one,
you used to be in those centers where game centers you go sit and then.
My puppy beats me well. It beats me like this.
Punches.
Yeah, so I shouldn't go again. So I still be traumatized.
Yes, by that whole scenario.
Traumatized me well.
Anyway,
let's talk about your new single.
Yes.
Let's talk about your new single.
Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle.
I mean, she's French.
She
anyway.
says,
I mean,
hey, don't take me there around.
Charlie, please say something first.
I will teach you. No problem.
Really sexy,
No problem. I've got you. I've got
I
you.
think it's really sexy.
Okay, I got you in Borna.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
What does that mean?
Let's talk about Je m'appelle,
Yes.
the single.
Yes.
Davido collaboration. How did it go?
Big shout outs to Davido and the whole team. They've been supportive.
Yeah.
Like he did a song, he spoke Ghana.
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
He came to shoot the video. War Kente. Do you know how heavy the Kente was?
Yes.
With the video they perform la Tido. Charlie, God bless the video.
Oh, Davido, there you have it. God bless you. But what inspired the song, and why also Davido, and why not any other artist?
Okay, so we're chilling outside with the video sometimes.
Okay.
And then at Twist, big shout out to Twist. We're chilling at Twist, he pulled up and I was like, big bro, I'm working on my album and I really need you to bless me. I was like, oh yeah, pull up to the apartment. Came to the apartment, I was like, bro, play me a couple of songs here and I was playing some songs. He wasn't doing anything, I was like, hey Charlie, ready? That one guy is still. So fast forward, was playing and I played Je m'appelle. And then he heard it and was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Like, and then he came back, I was like, yo, play this one again. And they played it. I was like, yo, let's do the pre-hook, we did the chorus, I did my verse. And then he loved the song, like, kept playing the song over and over, made me send the song to him. Like, he showed like massive support.
Wow. But the song was also trending at #1. So did you expect that outcome when you first put out? So, I mean, every single artist want their song to trend, obviously, at #1 and be in top charts. But then did you expect that outcome from Je m'appelle?
I mean, first and foremost, the reception was good. Like, people really love it, and they dig them. So Me too. We are making sure that we're not going to sleep on this one. We're making sure that we are going to take this one like to the next level. So this one is for Ghana.
Absolutely.
So in the video, Davido was wearing kente, speaking Ghana, doing everything. It's like some independent song. That's like in my head. That's like what I was thinking because no Ghana people, we will be friendly people.
Of course, yeah.
So we get a lot of French-speaking people for here. We like cultured people. That be how come this if influence this song and things. So it's like a national song, bro.
Is it possible, if we have time, can we check the video out and then come back and then ask his plans, future plans, if we have time?
Absolutely.
All right,
so let's check it out.
Let's enjoy Davido. I mean, Darko Vibes featuring Davido. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle.
What the get bad mind look say be baddest. Come on, tell her what you manche. One yellow when good one day. Money sweet spaghetti me the problem. Open your mind, be awareness. Now we know what you want, we never back up. Go the enemy, you smoke like ganja. Darko party is a liquor. She your bank can go. Check it out, me at that book. Check it out, me check it out. My bed, should not pay. My bed, should not pay.
M'appelle Godwin Nambo, El Sapel, Allo El Sapel. But El Sapel, El Sapel at Moimala. Why are you looking at me like that?
Tu t'appelles Darko Vibes.
Tu t'appelles pas, Anyami.
Je m'appelle.
I knew you wanted to say je m'appelle, so maybe
Okay,
so let me quickly go through a few messages coming in. This person said, hello, my name is Edward from Atonsu Kumasi. I'm really enjoying the show and I'm really enjoying my favorite Darko Vibes. I really love his song, hashtag DAM Club. You guys are looking awesome. Keep it up. Well, thank you very much. This person said, go Edma, go Godwin, go Darko Vibe, my favorite. Nice, okay, and there's just a few videos coming in. Okay, so my bestie and I playing and dancing to Je m'appelle by Darko Vibes. There's actually a video of them, but we can't actually show it right now. But
nice.
Thank you for sending in your messages via our WhatsApp number.
Number one on the Ghana Music, 100 Ghana Music on the Apple Music. Oh my goodness, Je m'appelle, Darko Vibes featuring Davido. I mean, we always do this as journalists, as presenters. I mean, the song is just, you know, we don't want to allow it to breathe. We want to know what's next for you, you know, as Je m'appelle is trending and people are enjoying it.
I mean, like, what's next is just to keep up, like keep on pushing this one, and then hopefully we can give you like some singles before the end of the year. But for the meantime, we want people to dance to this one and slim down with this one.
That's fantastic. So if you want to listen to the song, stream the song, watch the video, where do you go to?
I mean, it's everywhere across the world. Just type Darko Vibes featuring Davido and everything is going to pop up.
Okay, so on YouTube,
Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud,
Boomplay,
every DC Lickers, Charlie, everywhere. Baby, YouTube, pen drive, everywhere. If you want, it's there everywhere. If you want, just look.
Darko, let me behave myself. Or you let me be local this morning. I'm polished more. I thank you. Anyways, Darko Vibes, thank you so much. Amazing guy. Amazing guy. I want us to leave them with Tomorrow. That's from Darko Vibes. I wish producer we could do that.
Today is Throwback Thursday,
so we can play that.
Please, guys.
Yeah.
Give it to me.
Darko, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you, man.
We want to see you again and again. We had so much.
By the way, you're officially an AM Club member.
Thank you.
Okay, so whenever please do pass by. Come and give us all the exclusives, okay?
Yes! It's lit.
Funny enough, somebody just said, hello, I'm watching you guys from Cameroon. I love his personality. Hey, shout out to you. Shout out to you.
Don't go yet, please.
Oh, I thought.
No, we're not done.
Hey, you're not done.
Today, I'll see the whole show.
Yes, yeah.
I love it.
Anyways,
Okay,
guys,
let's go.
Thank you for tuning in. We've had such an amazing show.
An amazing show
here in the studio. We want to thank all our guests who came on the show. That was confusing me. Came on the show. First of all, I'd like to thank the Lifestyle Daily team.
Yes.
The doctor.
Yes, so Dr. Raphael Che Bafo, he came in to create more awareness on World Sight Day that is being celebrated today. So do make sure that you learn your do's and don'ts when it comes to eye care.
And of course, on our hashtag Daily Throwback Thursday, we played some childhood games. And again, Edma won. The Dadabi girl beat me to local games. I do not understand this, but it is well. It is well. And of course, on the plug, we had Darko Vibes. So much vibes in the studio.
Yes.
Loving it. Thank you so much, bro, for coming through.
Thank you so much.
Truly appreciate it. Guys, you can always, remember, you're always a part of the show. Just join us on social media. It is the AM Club. All you need to do on Twitter especially, just hashtag the AM Club and you see it over there. Yes. Or at MX24GH, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere.
Like the boy would say.
My name is Godwin Nambo, at Godwin Nambo on all social media platforms.
And my name is Edma Lawer at Edma Lawer, EDMALAWER on all social media platforms.
What about me?
Go.
It's Darko Vibes on all social media platforms across the globe. Big up.
And yes, tomorrow by Darko Vibe. Enjoy. Bye-bye.